tutorial is languages in the contemporary world.
Let's get in the material. Check it out.
People speak specific language, not abstract language. That is why there are often a communication barrier between people that uses different languages. Because we cannot understand the unknown language even if it uses the same symbol. It has different meaning. Then the only way people can communicate with others that speak different language is to learn the other language or use translator.
Ask why they collect this.
Why you collect this? Mengapa Anda mengkoleksi ini? Why do you collect this?
Mengapa Anda mengoleksi ini?
That is so cool.
Thank you. 你好，我的英文不是很好，请问我可以用这个翻译设备来点餐吗？
My English is not very good. Can I use this translation device to order?
Yeah.
我想要一杯冰绿茶，少冰，不要糖。
I want a cup of iced green tea. Less ice, no sugar.
What size?
12盎司的。
12 ounces.
Anything else?
就这些了。我很喜欢你的发色，很好看。
That's all. I love that your hair color looks good.
And then your total will be $4.13.
谢谢。
Native speakers often feel a personal connection to their language. They welcome others to learn their language, but still see it as theirs. While linguistics see all language as equal, there is still some stereotype on languages out there. For example, some languages are said to be less complex than others. Language also seen as the spirit of several nations and people. For example, Latin is widely believed to be more logical, or German more efficient, or French more romantic than other languages, and so on. Mutual intelligibility doesn't define languages. For example, Sicilian versus Venetian dialect, not mutually understood, but both are Italian. Mandarin versus Cantonese, both are Chinese, but spoken forms are not mutually intelligible. Russian and Ukrainian, Italian and Spanish, somewhat understandable, but seen as separate languages. What counts as a language or dialect is based on social identity, not scientific criteria.
Comparison between languages are the number of people speaking the language and geographical spread. Among the world's estimate is 6,000 languages, language that occurs increasingly frequently. It has been estimated that half of the world's languages are likely to disappear in the 21st century. Language often reflect in history and politics. Powerful nations promote and dominant language to build unity, while minority languages are being ignored. Despite nations trying to build a monolingualism state, it remains a myth because all nations have substantial linguistics. For example, in Africa, it's common to switch between a small local languages, regional languages, and former colonial languages. On personal level, perhaps many individuals are multilingual.
There are some common assumptions about native speakers. One, personal history, where people acquired language naturally in childhood. Two, native speakers seen as people who use the language correctly and have insight of what is acceptable or not. Three, being native speakers also come with the expectations of knowledge and loyalty to the community. With a small local language, this criteria might work. But what about a global language like English? Speakers may grow up multilingual, cultural loyalty may lay always where, still they might speak English fluently like a native speakers.
The Politics of English, Philipson 1992. Not neutral. English spread is tied to colonial history and global power. Linguistic imperialism. English maintains inequalities through structures, education, economy, or aid, and ideologies. Belief in English as superior. Promoted deliberately. Agency like the British Council, colonial administration, and the international institution position English as the global language. Empowerment versus domination. English offers mobility and opportunity, but also marginalize local languages and cultures. Political functions. The global dominance of English sustained the influence of Anglophone countries and reflects border system of power and control.
The growth of English and example of English global spread. It is role as the lingua franca in international scientific publication and conference, where it is serves as a primary language for communication, even in countries where English is not the native talk. So guys, in communication barrier, physical barriers have another example like noise. Noise is a trying to have a conversation in a noisiest environment like contraction side make it hard to hear and understand each other. And the second, distance. Communicating across continents can be challenging due to time zone difference and limited face-to-face interaction, making real-time clarification difficult. And so guys, in English as lingua franca, have example like example ELF as a new variety of English. Local English in a context like Singapore and Malaysia. English has developed into local from known as a Singlish and Malay English. There are examples of ELF in practice. So guys, in English as lingua franca, have example like example ELF as a new variety of English. Local English in a context like Singapore and Malaysia. English has developed into local from known as a Singlish and Malay English. There are examples of ELF in practice.